Hello everyone.
We are the students of KKR and KSR Institute of Technology and Sciences. We have developed a project titled Electrocution Prevention by using IoT. Our team mainly comprised of 4 members. We have developed this project under the guidance of Associate Professor Mrs. PGK Sirisha Madam. I am here to give the introduction of our project. Electrocution is a death or severe injury by electric shock, that the electric current passing through the body. They are just increasing every year. Besides taking all the necessary precautions, insulating materials are used mostly. But the risk of getting electrocuted is not completely gone. Our team developed a device to monitor the voltage fluctuations and the possibility of vice being in contact with humid climatic conditions. For understanding the process, the user can log into the web page that they are provided. For using our web page, the user must install the XAMPP server and they'll be given all the requirements for the login process. Thank you.
Our project involves usage of mobile telnet application. Not everyone is aware of how to use it. So, firstly, the user will be provided access to a web page that will be useful for them to understand the uses of the telnet interface. For that, user has to register or log in to the web page, and along with the procedure of using the device and observing the voltage information, they can also reach out to the admin in case of any concerns regarding the hardware setup and also complaints, then admin can get upon them.
This is the hardware setup, which is fixed with an LCD display that says waiting for connection. Firstly, let us see what are these components used in the hardware setup. This is an Arduino board. This is the voltage sensor. This is a humidity sensor, and this is the battery where we are checking the voltage flow. This is the Wi-Fi module. This is the buzzer. Buzzer is installed so that if the user is not around the device to monitor the LCD display, or if the telnet is not active on his mobile, buzzer will help them be alert. Now let us move on to the usage of the app. Firstly, the user will have to download the mobile telnet application from the Play Store. After downloading it, they'll have to connect to the hardware setup. For doing that, they should go to telnet settings and enter the IP address, which will be in the form of example 192.168.4.1. After connecting to the IP address, after entering it, they have to click on connect. They'll receive the portal in the following format. Once the connection is done, they'll not have to enter the IP address again and again. So after connecting to the hardware setup and switching on the hardware setup, they'll get the voltage fluctuation values, and they can be alert if in case the value is low or high. Here in the example, we can see that the voltage is low. That means there might be a chance of wire breakage. So before going to the telnet interface, the user will have to switch on the device and get it to this stage where it is waiting for connection, and then follow the steps as stated earlier by going to telnet settings and entering the IP address. After switching on the device and entering the IP address, we have to click on connect on the mobile telnet interface, which will connect the interface. As we showed in the earlier, the voltage flow is displayed on the telnet interface as well as here in the LCD display. The humidity level is low. That means the device or electrical wire is not in contact with water. The buzzer is making a sound for making the user alert. After adjusting the battery to the ideal voltage, the buzzer sound stops, and here the ideal voltage would be 8 volts. So this is how the device and the project can be used.
To conclude our explanation, we can say that in conclusion, our project is going to be helpful to all the people who are always around hazards places which use high voltage for the requirements to be accomplished. By using Internet of Things technologies, we developed a setup that will render the necessary values that will be used to analyze the possibility of being electrocuted. Data is collected by using Internet of Things sensors and analyzed per the code and given ideal voltage flow, and if the recorded data is not matched with the ideal voltage flow, the user is alerted and they can take necessary precautions. Since the user might not be available always around the mobile to check mobile application or LCD display, a buzzer is also installed. So the user will be alerted through it, because every user will not be familiar with the telnet interface. They will also be provided with a web page where the process of accessing telnet interface is explained and a contact from through which they can clarify their doubts or inform the admin and support desk regarding any failure.
Thank you.